It's remind me of like what do you think of this color though?
Chocolate mousse.
If you look like it looks like a chocolate pudding. Chocolate mousse is might be dogger.
Hey, they're both sweet. And what else are you gonna eat on Valentine?
Anything.
That's sweet.
So for a lot of you who was curious and wondering like what I am using, doing a lot of 3D flowers, is super cute and easy. One of these jars will give you so many flowers out of your applications, like so many cute designs, 3D designs out of that. So go check that out. Go pick up your free special free gift from Glitz to you on Valentine. We can't ship flower to you, so we can ship the 3D flowers. Well, 40 gel, so you can make 3D flowers. And guess what happened? Whether you're doing it for your nails, you're gonna have as fun and enjoy your flower for the rest of the years or more. Or if you are doing it for your clients, congratulations. This is a jar able to help you bring your business to the next level. And you can be able to make extra so much of income out of that jar.